This isn't your ordinary image downloader. Bulk Image Downloader scrapes any page, runs your URL list, filters what you want, schedule or download now, resize, convert, watermark, save hundreds in bulk to your folders. File name rules, download if logic, the full pipeline, built for people who do this for real. And hey, this video is the overview. If you want to see how a specific feature actually works, we've got separate tutorials on YouTube. Each one focuses on one tool. If you're watching from the Chrome Web Store, the links should be right there on the listing. If you're already on our channel, check the playlist. While you're here, if this helped, hit like so more people can find it. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next feature walkthrough. Got a question, a site you're stuck on, or a feature you'd love to see? Drop a comment. We read them and they help us decide what to cover next. Install Bulk Image Downloader from URL list, link below, and go grab your images. You've got better things to do than right-click save.